In this video, I just want to share why timing the market is so important in this strategy, or in fact, in most of the non-directional trading strategy. In stage 1, when we have no stock, we want to sell a naked put, and the naked put that we are selling is at the money, which has the highest time premium. If you do not care about timing the market and you start going in and sell a naked put here at the high of it, and when the market comes down, your account will suffer a loss. But of course, for the last 2 years, when the stock market is on the bull run, even if you are selling over here at the top, you'll be fine. Even if you are selling over here at the top and the market come down, eventually the market did go back up, so you'll be fine doing this strategy. But what happens if you do it when the market is on the downtrend or a recession? Which is why we want to time the market. And how do we time the market? I just use a very simple stochastic indicator. There's nothing else. This is a daily chart of Alibaba. And what I want is for the stochastic to be under 20, which indicate this is a oversold condition. If you just take a look over here, the stochastic is under 20, and if we take this signal, the stock go up, and this trade will turn out well. If you do this trade over here, the expiry is actually on the dotted line, then we will only be in stage 1 because the put will expire worthless, which is fine. And then the next signal probably come in over here, which is over here, and again Alibaba went up, so you are fine. And the next stage is over here, and then the Alibaba went up, and over here we might have another signal, and then the Alibaba just went up, and over here we have another signal. So if we use this strategy and time the market, it will just improve our odds and improve our probability. It is not only on Alibaba. We can just take a look at any other stock. On my watch list, let's take a look at Microsoft. The same thing will happen. Over here, we have a stochastic indicator, and then the Microsoft went up. Over here, there might or might not be a signal, but even if you take this signal, you'll be fine. And over here is a clear cut, there's a signal, and then the stock just go up. Over here and over here, we all have a trading signal. There won't be many opportunity for you, and a lot of time you will not have any trading signal, but that is fine because this is just one of the strategy in your portfolio. And if there's no signal, you'll just stay aside or look for other trade or other strategy. I will always prefer to wait for a signal to trade this strategy. Let me know if you have any question on this video. Thank you.